what graphic tablet should you get? And by the end of this video, I will tell you actually which one should you choose. So I've been drawing for like a year and a half now. Okay, I've made some progress, and I'm still making, and I just want to teach what I know. Okay, so you can make faster progress, better and easier. So in the beginning of my art journey, I guess, I would have like a small Huion tablet, okay, and it was decent, but it was pretty small, and I wanted bigger, and then I bought another one, which was okay. This graphic tablet was actually the one that you just place on the desk, and it doesn't have screen. It has only pen, and you just draw on that. Okay, you look on the monitor and you draw. And then I saw those with screen. Okay, they were so cool. I just wanted to buy them. And also I've made so much excuses back then. So I mean, it was like 2019, I guess. Okay, so I said like, okay, I will finally start drawing when I get this tablet. But I quit art. Okay, I came back later, so like in the beginning of 2023, I guess, I think. But yeah, I would always like make this excuse that okay, I don't have to draw that much. Okay, I will start drawing, I will be serious about it when I get my tablet with a screen. Okay, and yeah, here I go. I came back to art, and the first thing I did was order the one with the screen, and I got a Huion, another. Okay, it's not sponsored, but I had those thoughts in my brain, my mind. Okay, that I remembered when I said that I will start drawing when I get this tablet. I will draw like almost every minute of the day, and yet I didn't. Okay, it was like, I don't know, like half a year passed, maybe even more. It was like the end of 2023, and I still was drawing like maybe once or twice a week. And so I realized that it's not really about the the device that you draw on. And also, like a month after I got this Huion graphic tablet with a screen, I've got an iPad Pro, the M2 chip or something. Okay, and I would also say the same thing. Okay, I need that one, and then I'll become better artist. Then I can draw. Okay, but still, it didn't help me. It didn't give me motivation. But although it didn't give me motivation, I mean, no, it probably no, it did give me actually a lot motivation. Okay, but not only that, it gave me like much more stuff. So let me tell you all those stuff. So now choosing the tablet for you, okay, there are a couple of categories. Okay, it depends on what you're actually looking for, what you need, what's your budget and stuff. So let me just talk about it. Okay, so I've had like 4 tablets. So my first one was Huion H610P, something like that. Then I had a Huion New 2060, no 1060P plus, something like that. Then I've got this Huion Canvas 24 Pro, and also I got an iPad 12.9 inches, the M2 chip Pro. Okay, so I've got like 4 of them, and I can just compare them. Okay, so I'll tell you, and I'll tell you like all the stuff you need. So first, the most important stuff actually is you don't need a screen tablet. Okay, you don't need that. Okay, I thought I needed one, and yet I got them, and I mean, obviously it's like more enjoyable, I guess, because you see, it's like, okay, it's closer to the real art, okay, that you actually draw on paper, and you see where you put the strokes and stuff. But yeah, instead of obviously like putting the tablet on your desk and looking at the monitor and then drawing. But yeah, and you don't need that. Okay, you don't need the screen tablet. If you have a simple tablet without screen, it's good enough. Okay, obviously the screen tablet is more enjoyable, but it won't really. And also, like you gotta get used to that okay, you draw something but you don't look at it, you look at the screen. So you gotta get used to that. But the screen size, let's start with screen size. So now for me, the okay, the first one, the first Huion H610p, okay, was too small. Okay, it was like, I don't know, like A5 book, you know, like the size of that, and it was pretty small. Okay, I mean, also back then I had a pretty small monitor because it had like, I don't know, 17 or 18 inches. Okay, and then I think with that I got like no, I still had that. Okay, but then I got the new one. I've got the new one, the H1060p plus or something. Okay, it was kind of bigger, but also like the pen was, you had to charge it. Okay, so that was like a con. But yeah, the workspace area was larger and it was better because it was closer to the monitor. Okay, then I got this Huion, and the screen is actually perfect. Like 24 inches is perfect, I guess. I mean, I didn't use the large. There is like 32 inches Wacom, but I don't think you need more. And even like 22 inches or 20 would be all right for a screen tablet. And also, I mean, I guess you can go too big. I don't know the sizes, but you can go too big without the screen tablet. Okay, they're just placing on your desk. I think you can go too big because then you have to like move your whole arm. Also, like the ergonomics or whatever it's called, it's much better on the tablet on the desk, because you have your neck straight. Okay, you have your back straight and stuff, and and then if you have the the screen tablet, okay, you gotta shrimp a little bit, okay, and then you have your arm up, okay, then your head is kind of pointed lower, okay, because of the angle and stuff. And yeah, but then I got the iPad, and it's like, I don't know, like almost half of the size of the tablet that I have. I mean, it's like you could probably fit like 4 those iPads in this screen. And also the iPad screen is probably too small for me. I don't know, like actually maybe like 16 would be okay, but I don't know. So next one would be probably like being able to go out with it, okay, to like, I don't know, travel or whatever. So yeah, obviously the iPad wins here. Okay, you cannot take any tablet. So if you're like a person that likes to actually go somewhere, okay, maybe in the park or whatever, cafe, and yeah, just get iPad. But now for drawing experience, I would probably say like, yeah, get the screen tablet, okay, the tablet with a screen. And to be honest, like even the one that I have, yeah, I would say like with a screen tablet is much more enjoyable, obviously, than the one. I think it's because you see what you're drawing, and you see your hand, you see everything. So I think like for experience, yeah, get the normal screen tablet, iPad, or just a PC one, or yeah. And obviously for like enjoyment, I would say like iPad is pretty cool, but yeah, also like the screen. I mean, the iPad one, you just take it, put it on your desk and draw, okay, or your, I don't know, niece or whatever. And the screen tablet, you gotta take this, put it here, okay, like adjust everything, okay. And also like the tablet without the screen, I don't know, I would often like take out the box, plug it, okay, put, where's my pen, okay, here, there's like much more work to actually draw, more friction. But yeah, if you get to drawing, like the screen tablet and the iPad is really enjoyable, okay. It's obviously like also the colors, I mean, it depends obviously on your monitor and the colors they have, but yeah, I would recommend like the screen graphic tablet, yeah. But yeah, still remember that you don't need the the expensive tablets, you don't need like the screen tablets. You can do the same work on the cheapest one, probably, yeah. So don't make the same mistake as I did. I obsessed about the screen tablets, and yeah, just just wait, and if you have money, yeah, go buy it. If you don't, just get the cheapest one, but also not too small, okay. You gotta have a little bit larger space to draw, to not get the carpal tunnel syndrome in your wrist. So also one last thing is, actually, I don't know, maybe it's because of the screen size, but whenever I draw on iPad, I think like my drawings are worse. I don't know. Like my sketches are, you know, like more stiff or something. I don't know. I see something like that. Maybe it's because of screen size and I don't know. Like maybe I have to adjust or whatever. Now, if you want my free brushes, okay, go into my free Patreon. Okay, you can get them. Also, you can, you know, like pre-sale courses. I'm making one about drawing faces, so you can, you know, get now for much cheaper. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, you know, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.